Is SaaS only for small businesses? Software as a service, SaaS, is a type of software delivery model in which a software application is hosted by a third-party provider and made available to customers over the Internet. SaaS is not limited to small businesses, and it is being used by a wide range of organizations, including small, medium, and large enterprises. Many SaaS solutions are designed to be flexible and scalable, making them suitable for businesses of all sizes. They can be customized to meet the specific needs of different industries and organizations, and they can be used to support a wide range of business functions, such as accounting, customer relationship management, and human resources. SaaS solutions can be a cost-effective option for small businesses because they typically require no upfront investment in hardware or software. Small businesses can subscribe to the software on a pay-as-you-go basis, and they only pay for the number of users and features they need. They also benefit from automatic software updates, which ensures they have access to the latest features without the need to upgrade their systems. Large enterprises also benefit from SaaS solutions. They can offer their employees the same tools, software and applications that they have in-house, but all accessed through the cloud, which can improve efficiency and reduce IT costs. In summary, SaaS is not only for small businesses but for all types of organizations. It can be used by businesses of all sizes, and it can be customized to meet the specific needs of different industries and organizations. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one.